Hello guys, welcome to my new video. In this video, I will show you how to make this viral ASMR video. This video are now trending. You can make money by uploading this video in YouTube. So let's start the video. Firstly, you need VO3. If you don't have VO3 account, watch our previous video. A prompt is given in the description box. You can modify the prompt by changing the food or food's name. You don't need to paste it in ChatGPT. Now we are copying the prompt. We must connect VPN to USA server. Then we write the name of a fruit or food here. Now he is making our video. Now our video is ready with great sound effect. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe.